Today I am unboxing Titan automatic watch. This is my best watch. You can look, check it out. Today I am delivering. Today delivered this item. You can show the price. Price is very much. I cannot tell you. There's some look. Okay. Unboxing watch. This is a very important box. Box is very nice box. Titan automatic. Warranty card. It is. I don't know. Oh my god. Very good. This is warranty card. This is the price. I don't know. It's Titan. Very loose, but looking good. So এখানে বলে রাখলাম, দেখে নাও।